As for availability, IBM Q systems will be available by end of 2017 with upgrades in 2018. "We at Volkswagen want to be among the first to use quantum computing for corporate processes as soon as this technology is commercially available," said Martin Hofmann, Chief Information Officer of the Volkswagen Group. Jonathan Breeze, a research fellow working on advanced materials at Imperial College London and not affiliated with any of the companies developing quantum computing, said that practical applications of quantum computers will depend largely on being able to reduce the error rate in their calculations. The IBM Q initiative was started earlier this year to bring quantum computing solutions to clients that need the type of computing power. In both the 50 and the 20 qubit systems, the quantum state is preserved for 90 microseconds, a record for the industry, but still an extremely short period of time. Although quantum computing is still relatively new, underpowered and expensive, it has the potential to solve particular complex problems highly efficiently. The first IBM Q systems available online to clients will have a 20-qubit processor, featuring improvements in superconducting qubit design, connectivity and packaging. The German automaker will use Google's quantum computing technology in 3 fields of research: traffic optimization, machine learning, and material simulation, specifically for high-performance electric vehicle batteries. Instead of being built on machines interpreting zeros and ones in on-off states, quantum computers can live in multiple states. This new processor expands upon the 20-qubit architecture and will be made available in the next generation IBM Q systems. In addition to building working systems, IBM continues to grow its robust quantum computing ecosystem, including open-source software tools, applications for near-term systems, and educational and enablement materials for the quantum community. "Those qubits might be noisy, and there could be issues with how well connected they are," he says. Dario Gil, IBM Research VP of AI and IBM Q, says the increased number of qubits is only part of the story. All of these variables make it hard for a programmer to build a quantum algorithm that can achieve something useful without errors and before it reverts to a classical state, but that doesn't take away from just how far researchers have come in recent years and how big today's announcement is in the quantum computing world. Google has offered science labs and artificial intelligence researchers early access to its quantum machines. IBM has also added new tools that let users study the state of the quantum system and integrate Qiskit with the IBM Data Science Experience, which is a compiler tool that maps desired experiments onto the available hardware. Qiskit has been expanded so users can create and execute quantum computing programs on Q systems. He unveiled the breakthrough at the IEEE Industry Summit on the Future of Computing in Washington, D.C. on Friday morning. This video from Qiskit provides a better and more in-depth look into quantum computing for those curious.